Good morning, friends, and happy Tuesday. So yesterday we worked on reviewing our vocabulary, and today we are going to do a matching game with our vocabulary. So I want you to get your vocabulary words out. You should have the pictures with the words on it, and then you should also have the pictures without the words on it, like that. So you're going to go ahead and cut these out, and if you need help, then a parent can help you, and then we'll get started. Once you have all of your words cut out, I want you to go ahead and group them up, and I'm going to tell you how to differentiate this game. It's kind of sort of the way that we did last time. Depending on the level of the student, you can do however many matches you want. So if we're still, struggling to find a match, then maybe we should limit the number of matches we have. So let's go ahead and start out with 4. Or let's even start out with 3. How about that? All right, so let's see. I'm going to put 2 up, and guess what? If the pictures match up, they would be a match. So you put that in your pile and you keep going. And if this gets too easy for you, then you can put all of the matches on the table. It also depends on how many people are playing. So if it's 2 people, maybe it'd be easier just to have like 4 matches. But if you're playing with a sibling and a parent, I would go ahead and put all of them out. And don't forget, before you start playing, to go over the match game rules. I'll go ahead and read those for you. And you can always adapt it to however you want it to do. So number 1, put the cards face down on the table. Number 2, pick who will go first. Number 3, player 1 turns over a card and says the name of the card. So I want you to try to say the name. And if you are nonverbal, then maybe have 2 options. Be like, okay, you picked this one. Which one is it? Is it earn or cost? And then they'll pick which one they put up, just to kind of help with identifying the word. That's the main point of the game, is to learn your vocabulary words. Do they match? Yes. Player keeps the match. No. Player turns the card over again. So if it is not a match, so for example, job and earn, that's not a match. You're going to, if you want it to be super easy, you can leave those up. Or if you want to make it a little bit more complicated, you can turn them back over. All right, who is next? Everyone takes a turn. When all the cards are gone, you count the matches, who has the most, and cheer for the winner. All right, friends, I hope you have fun playing this game, and let me know who wins. All right, I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back tomorrow. Bye.